What is catnip for, and how does it affect cats? Catnip is rich in essential oils that contain the substance nipedilactone. It acts on a cat's system similar to pheromones or valerian. However, unlike valerian, catnip is completely harmless to cats. The smell of catnip can be both energizing and calming. When eating peppermint leaves, Murlaka becomes more calm and affectionate. He sleeps better and doesn't show aggression. When inhaling essential oils, becomes more active, he has a better mood. With its help, you can train your cat to a bed or scratching post. Help your kitty cope with stress, improve appetite, and help with training.